Good morning. It's Daryl with the Automatic Trade Desk, and we have some amazing trades on today. We are trading the NQ, and we're trading at 9 a.m. Pacific time today with this strategy. So let's take a look at how we're doing. Right now it is 9:18. I'm going to bring in a clock right here. You see it's February 17th, 2022, 9:18 and 39:40 seconds right now. And here's current price, volume down below. You can see currently we're in a short. We're trading 6 contracts on the NQ today, which is the mini future of the NASDAQ index. So we're trading the futures market today. And you can see we've been in a bit of a downtrend. Let's take a look at the daily candlestick at this moment, right now. This represents price today. Yesterday we had a cross type candle, right? And you can see we're still respecting this downtrend line, and we're kind of floating around in the upper half of this range that we've created with these the previous trend line and the current one. Okay, so price is right here right now, and just taking a look at that. Let's make it a little bigger right now so we can just look at today. So this is today. We've already dropped below the low of yesterday's low, and that's where we are right now. So just a reference for the daily candlestick. We're trading automatically today. All this trading is automatic. So at 9 a.m. Pacific time, boom, we went short. And look, there it is. The results, 6 contracts short, 44.75 closed P&L so far. Right now, we're in another short, and it's printing against us. So a little bit for us, a little bit against us, and that's kind of where we're at right now. And we're going to check back in and see how this trade progresses as the day goes on. Okay, we're checking back in on this trade. As you can see, we're currently up 44.10 on our P&L. Let's take a look at the trades that we've taken so far. We had a winner, a loser, and a winner. And so open P&L right now, which is printing against us, so it's negative P&L there. We have 6 contracts. We're long right now. Our target's up here. This is where we want it to go. So we're hoping for a double bottom right here. If you can see what I'm talking about, double bottom. So that would be interesting. And then if we break through this top up here, the hope will be for any trader that you go the distance between the peak here and the lowest bottom on either side. So that would take you up around this target. So enough discretionary trading talk. But we don't really pay attention to that at all with automatic trading. But let's take a look at some of the other market conditions. First of all, the daily candlestick, you can see we're clearly like this with a small tail at this time. And it will be a little bit more if we come up here. We could easily close around this area where the bottom of this tail is. You can see it was a significant area. Okay, enough technical analysis on the daily candlestick. What about the floor trader pivots? Where are we at in relation to those? Okay, the pit traders, they used to use these all the time, and I have them on my chart, so let's take a look. I'm going to have to really scrunch price to see them all. Here, we're bringing them into view. Okay, so you can see we have the center line, the PP, and these are all rotation zones below and above. Okay, so our current position is sort of all scrunched up. You can't really see price and all those indicators, but we don't need to. But get the idea of what could happen, what kind of movement you could have in the futures market during one day hitting these pivots. Right now we're way below the central one, the PP, and we're flirting with the S2 down here. So interesting. As you can see, the amount we're going for here is minuscule in relation to this, but has great possible rewards. So right now we're experiencing the rewards, and we're going for a trade towards this light blue line like that. So just kind of interesting to look at it that way. I'm going to go ahead and put everything back the way it should be when I'm trading. And there I see price and everything is back the way it should be. And notice in this view, we don't even see the pivots in this view. So you got to definitely bring them in for it to happen. Okay, so there's where we are, where we're flirting with the ES2, which is normally a rotation zone. If we hit that, we'll stop out. If we double bottom here and clear this top, we have a good chance of hitting this target. As I said, anything could happen in the market, and it can and will happen in the market. So I expect anything and everything, and don't really anticipate too much about where price is going. I let my strategy, which is completely automatic, deciding whether to go long or short, I let my strategy decide because I've programmed it already. I know the data set for my strategy, and that's why I'm trading it. So here we are coming back into the regular view, and this is where we are so far at 10:57 a.m. So that's Pacific time, and we've been in this trade now for 2 hours, and this is the result right now.